Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing a plugged-in USB drive and choosing the backup type. Plug the drive into a USB 3.0 port for speed. Make sure Windows recognizes it. Open Settings Update and Security Backup to enable file history, or open Control Panel Backup and restore Windows 7 to create a system image. Once done, format to NTFS if needed and give the volume a clear label. This makes the target predictable and avoids file size limits later. Next, you configure what to back up and how often. In File History, choose specific folders and add library locations. In Backup and Restore Pick, create a system image to capture windows and programs. Set a schedule, daily for critical machines or weekly for casual use, and configure retention so older backups are cleaned automatically. Once configured, kick off a manual backup to confirm everything runs and to measure elapsed time. Make sure to monitor progress and note any files excluded by. Finally, verify the backup and handle common failures. Restore a single file or mount the system image to ensure data is readable. This proves the process worked. If Windows reports write errors or incomplete backups, run chkdsk/f on the USB, check cable/port, and review Event Viewer for disk or permission errors. Make sure to safely eject drives after completion. If problems persist, try a different USB or recreate the backup target, rotating and off-site drive guards against physical loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.